Asian Tiger Prowl. Circle D only. Let's take a look at the right hand. The right hand starts with 3 and 5 on F and A, harmonic third, and a rest. Then E and G, harmonic third again, and a rest. At that point, the left hand will be moving down. The right hand moves to D and F, and it has a tenuto. And then when you're playing it, we need to slide in so that this thumb is going to reach that B flat. Watch that again. 3-5 staccato, 2-4 staccato, pick up and move, 3-5 tenuto, slide in, 3, just like that. So I'm going to count that. Watch my right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. Touch, rest, touch, move down, hold, slide in. Let's do that again. Ready? Here we go. Touch, rest, touch, move, hold, slide in. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Touch, rest, touch, move, hold, slide in. Now what does the left hand do? It starts with 4 on the G for the 3 quavers in the middle of the previous bar. 4, 2 B flat because of the key sign, and the thumb on middle C is staccato. Then there's a rest, B flat staccato, stretch the 3 in the rest, accent and tie. We don't gotta go anywhere, just stepping. And make sure that you let go of that G because it's only a quaver and there's a minim rest right after it. So let's take a look at that again. G, B flat, C is staccato, rest, B flat, staccato, stretch the 3, accent with a tie, and then a 4-3, let go immediately. Don't hold on to that. So I'm going to count it this time, and then you play with me. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ready. Here we go. 4, 2, 1, rest, B flat, stretch, accent, tie, smoothly rest. Let's do it again. Ready, here we go. 4, 2, 1, rest, 2, stretch, 3, tie, smoothly off, 2. One more time. Ready, here we go. Rest, rest, tie, rest, rest. I'm going to put the hands together. You can try one hand or the other, or if you're really brave, you can put both hands together. I count and we play together. Ready? Ready, here we go. Left, 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 right, left, right, stretch, left, move right, smoothly, rest, rest. I'm going to do that again. Ready, here we go. One more time. Ready, here we go. I'm going to go a little bit quicker. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ready, here we go. One more time. Ready, here we go. I'm going to go a little bit quicker. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ready, here we go. One and 2 and ready, go. I'm A little bit quicker this time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ready, here we go. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and ready, here we go. Last time, a little bit quicker. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ready, here we go. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and ready, here we go.